Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily allow Instagram app access to your photos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings, then scroll down until you find privacy and security, then get into photos, and right here you have to find Instagram. Here it is. And now in order to allow Instagram app to access to your photo library, tap Add All Photo option. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.